So while I sit here, I'm gonna I'll put a copy of it, a picture of it on online with this video, or I'll put a link in this video to show you what I mean by imagine, because that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna imagine a triangle up here and then up here, like a double triangle crossing each other, which is the star. It calls the Star of David. So we're gonna imagine that's because we're gonna create a stable core, and that when you imagine that creates triangle up, triangle down. Again, matrix has above, so below, up and down. I'm gonna explain what that means, as above, so below as well, because they use it as a negative, in a negative way, which is, that's not what it means actually. So once you imagine this, the triangle, you're gonna imagine the triangle spinning while you're listening to the music. The bottom is spinning to your left or to your right, and the top is spinning. So they're spinning the opposite side of each other. And then you're gonna imagine that you're turning into a white light. You see the little energy that I showed you when I turn on my diffuser. That's what you're gonna imagine. You're turning into that bright light. And then before you turn into that bright light, you're gonna imagine that you're a tree. That's why I'm wearing this green. Well, I didn't even think that. Okay, you're gonna imagine that you're a tree with roots. Your roots is planting deep on the ground. That's when you're meditating, but you're also grounding yourself. So you're gonna imagine your one like you have different, all you is planting deep on the ground, and then your roots you can even see them, because you're like so far away, you can see them. You're gonna imagine them. You see a tree, roots that's planted deep on the ground. That's what you're gonna imagine you turning to. That tree, you are a tree, and then you're planting, and then you're spreading. Your roots are spreading all over. At the same time, we're gonna try to balance our energies: water, fire, air, and earth. So what you're doing here, by you planting, you're turning to a deep tree. You're gonna imagine you as a tree, and then your roots are planting deep on the ground. That's you grounding yourself with Mother Earth, which is your elements, which is the elements of Earth, right? Now you're gonna imagine one side of this tree is now going inside the ocean. Okay, the ocean. So, and that branch is that roots is in the ocean, and then you're gonna imagine a fire. So now you're gonna imagine that the fire and the water are balancing each other, here with your triangle. So the fire and the water, nothing is happening. That they are so you're so like the fire. You know, when you throw water on a fire, it just put down the fire. That's not the thing that you're gonna do. You're gonna imagine the fire and the water are like so in love with each other, and then you're gonna imagine that there's a roof of energy that is blowing in your face, which is your air element. And then you're gonna imagine what did I say? Air, fire, earth, air, fire, earth, and air, which is air. I just did air. I did fire. I did all four. So all four. And the Asian, I think they also use woods, so you can, that tree again can, you can imagine woods, whatever. So all of these is happening here. Fire, water, you're planting your roots are planting on the tree, on the ground, and your branch or spreading to places or space that you don't even know, and then you're turning into this bright light, this bright white energy. While you're doing this, all of this is you're imagining it here on with your third eye. When you close this, you don't use these eyes to imagine these things. You're gonna make sure that all of these that I just said are happening here. And when you said it's happening here, that's when you're also stimulating your third eye. And then that's how you will open it, so you can get vision, you can get future things that's gonna happen or whatever. So I am done speaking. We're gonna actually meditate now. Because I'm done with this, and we're gonna use a different song to meditate.
There is a huge fundraising deadline coming up for Senate Democrats,
and this meditation,
and they need your help right now if they're going to meet it.
Every dollar you give from now until the official FEC deadline will be...
This meditation is 21 minutes.
Ma